Hello everyone, my name is Khang. I'm 9 years old. I'm in 4th grade Winton Primary School. I live in Ho Chi Minh City. Today, I'm very happy to talk about the reason of sneezing. The reason of sneezing is very quite clear. You breathe in some dust and blow it out in air. Your nose gets tickled because it smokeless dust. Your body rejects it as sugar and it must. The way that you sneeze is always the same. Information changes your blood from your brain. Many muscles contract to blood that sneeze through. That's your diaphragm, belly, and chest muscle too. Your eyes, shirt, your tongue on the roof of your mouth. This forces your nose to blow the air out. You blow it well. This blows out a red flower, and this can go 100 miles an hour, 161 kilometers. Are you sick in bed with a cold or the flu? You know this because you just think a lot too. Think of the sneeze as a national alarm. These difference has give us harm. Next time, you need to give us my command. Cover your nose with your arm or your hand. Next is Louise. Thank you for listening. See you again. Goodbye.